This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include high-intensity headlights, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a folding second row, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, front and rear reading lights, and memory settings for the seat's position. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.